I'm sure that you must have heard that it takes 21 days to form a new habit. Some of you might even try to do it and failed. Well, don't worry if you were unsuccessful. There is nothing wrong with you. The prevalent statement that it takes 21 days to form a new habit is actually incorrect. So how many days does it really take to form a new habit? Stay tuned to find out. Hey everyone, this is Tao Science, simplified science to make you smarter. The story behind the 21-day rule is pretty interesting. A plastic surgeon in 1950s called Maxwell Maltz observed a strange pattern in his patients. When he performed an operation like a nose job, it took patients 21 days on average to get used to their fresh face. Likewise, in amputation cases, he noticed that the patients were sensing phantom limbs for about 21 days before getting adjusted to the new situation. He then concluded from his experiences that it requires a minimum of 21 days for an old mental image to dissolve and a new one to gel. It was published in his book called Psycho-Cybernetics, which sold over 30 million copies. His work inspired many self-help professionals who eventually reduced the statement from a minimum of 21 days to just 21 days. People started taking it as a fact because of the illusionary truth effect, which is the tendency to believe false information to be correct after repeated exposure. This principle is often used in election campaigns and advertising. Even more theories branched out from this, like 21-90 rule, that is 21 days to form a new habit and 90 days to make it permanent. The reason not many people question the 21 rule was it's simple to grasp. Time frame is short enough to be inspiring and long enough to be believable. Wouldn't you love to change your life in 21 days? Maxwell Maltz just quoted what he observed in his surroundings, and he mentioned that this was the minimum time required to form a new habit. So what's the right answer? How long does it really take to form a new habit? The answer was provided by a study published in 2009 in European Journal of Social Psychology by Philippa Lally. She, along with her team, observed the habits of 96 people over 12 weeks. Their research arrived at a result that on average it takes 66 days for a new habit to form. In the study, individuals took between 18 to 254 days to develop a fresh habit. So if you're planning to change your life, it will probably take you 2 to 8 months. The brain loves a habit as it is efficient, requires lesser thinking, and allows it to work on other mental tasks. It is worth noting that some habits are harder to break than others, especially the ones that give you joy. These are associated with dopamine, the pleasure hormone. So what's the take in all this? You don't have to beat yourself up if you can't form a new habit in 21 days. You need to commit yourself longer into the cause. And think of it as a process, not an event. And few setbacks don't deter you from your path. Understanding these will encourage you to set realistic goals and expectations for yourself and truly help you achieve your targets. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button. Tell me what topics do you want to see next, and as always, keep learning, keep exploring until you know everything.